replayed bug one, and I realised that I think my finger was over the cord of the mouthpiece, so you couldn't necessarily hear me. So I'm going to just run it by you again. Here we have a device which is showing 3 matches, or 2 matches here. This one, 22 kittens shut down over 2 hours ago, and milkshake shut down over 2 hours ago, and yet I can still chat these. So chat still works, and that's gone through okay. So the user would believe that those people were still matchable. So bug one is to get rid of stale matches. Now, the first time I mentioned this was about a month ago. So we really need to get this routine in the database that polls the database every 60 seconds and gets rid of any matches that are more than 10 minutes old, because the frequency of update will be controlled here by these options. So if anything's in there over 10 minutes, then there's no need. I've even considered reducing this to 5 to try and speed it up, but I think for now, because we've got trouble with matches and we've got trouble with location and networks and chatting, then let's keep it at 10. But at some point, I think we can reduce it. Okay, so that's bug. That's bug one.